Hello everyone. Today, we are going to explore the WooCommerce Marketplace order approval. This feature allows sellers to manually approve or reject customer orders before they are finalized. It gives sellers more control and helps reduce unwanted transactions. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webcol.com and explore the number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. First, log in as admin. After logging in, navigate to the left-hand sidebar and click on Marketplace. From the Marketplace menu, select the Order Approval option. This will open the WooCommerce Marketplace Order Approval System, where you can configure settings related to order approval by the seller. To enable the order approval process, simply check the Enable Order Approval option. Next, check the Acceptance TAT type. This defines the time unit for the seller's response. You can choose between minutes, hours, days, and weeks. Then, enter the Acceptance TAT value. This is the number of time units within which a seller must approve the order. For example, if 5 minutes is selected, the seller will have 5 minutes to take action on each new order. Once all the settings are configured, click on Save Changes to apply them. Now let's take a look at the customer end flow. The customer selects a product, adds it to the cart, and proceeds to checkout. On the checkout page, they fill in the required details and place the order. If the seller approves the order within the specified time, the customer will receive an approval email confirming that the order has been accepted. However, if the seller does not approve the order within the given time frame, the customer will receive an email notification stating that the order was not approved. Now we are going to check the seller's end flow. When a customer places an order, the seller receives a notification. The seller can then navigate to the order history section to view the details of the new order. At this point, the seller has two options: approve the order or reject it by clicking the cross button. If the seller approves the order, the status will be updated and the customer will receive a confirmation email. If the order is rejected, the customer will be notified accordingly. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@theratewebcol.com or raise a ticket at webcol.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.